Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about why I would never invest in Bitcoin. I know saying never is a very hard term, but I'm going to be giving you guys my input where I see Bitcoin, kind of the pros and cons of owning it. And alright, let's just jump into the video, roll the intro, let's go. Alright, so now for those of you that don't know what Bitcoin is a decentralized cryptocurrency or currency that really allows you to buy pretty much almost anything. You can buy anything on like the dark web. Some stores and restaurants even do take Bitcoin. It's an online currency that is not backed by either a central bank or the government. So what that means is if you lose your Bitcoin, your SOL, you don't have it anymore. There's no insurance to kind of cover you. Now, giving you guys an example, when you guys put money in your bank, you put it in there. If something happens to your money or the bank, you're insured. And most of the time, you're FDIC insured up to $250,000. So if you have $250K in the bank just sitting there and the bank closes, whatever, you get the money back, no problem. Now, if let's say you had $250,000 of Bitcoin sitting in your crypto wallet and somehow a hacker got a hold of it or you just lost it, it's done. It's not backed by anything. There's no insurance on it. So you're pretty much done. Now, a rule that I follow pretty hard is never invest what you don't truly understand or you don't understand the future of it. And honestly, like I do understand Bitcoin just a little bit, but overall, I don't understand the future of it, and I just don't see the concept of how a Bitcoin can purchase something from Walmart. That's the one thing I don't quite understand. I feel like it is very, very complicated, and it's not as simple as swiping a debit card or handing over cash, because those are all things either backed by the bank or the government. And I know a lot of you think it's cool not to have something, backed by anything. And I do see the pros and cons of kind of having your own money, your own pretty much everything when it comes to your own crypto. But if something ever happens, you have to look at it's not going to be there. And for the average person, I feel like it's going to be a lot harder for them to figure out a way to make them be able to use Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency rather than just using a debit or cash. That's my personal opinion. Now, the second reason why I don't really like it is it's not very safe and secure. So what this means is as you put money in the bank, and if that's somehow, like I said, and somehow there's fraud on your account, you can easily prove that you weren't there or you did not make the purchase. Just by literally going on and calling them and saying, hey, I did not make this purchase. And they will look at your location and say, okay, you're in Michigan and there's a purchase in Florida. Okay, obviously that wasn't you. But if that's say you had Bitcoin and someone took it, you had your Bitcoin wallet in Michigan and they got a hold of it in Florida, there is no tracking it and there's pretty much no way you can get your money back. As a company or a bank, what they're gonna do is, since it's their own money, most of the time it's credit card fraud. So what that means is it's the company's money that they're trying to get back. So obviously they're gonna have more resources and they're gonna spend more money trying to get that money back rather than pretty much not backed by anything or SOL. And I just read an article saying that some Bitcoin owner who had like 13 or 14 Bitcoins lost all their Bitcoin because a hacker got in it and pretty much stole it all. Also, I read an article saying that somebody with $6 million worth of Bitcoin lost their flash drive and the Bitcoin's gone. But if it was backed by something or online or through a bank or the government, you could easily get that money back. And really the third and final reason that I don't like Bitcoin, especially right now, it's very unpredictable in value. So when you guys think of the dollar bill, it can get you $1 buying power, and you can have that and you can go to the store and purchase something. But if you have one Bitcoin, you go to the store today, you could buy a handful of things, and then tomorrow the value changes so you can only get less or more. The market value is just insane just because on how much the Bitcoin fluctuates is insane. Imagine in 2017 when everybody was trying to buy Bitcoin and you wanted to purchase something and it was just, imagine how hard that would be because it's very unpredictable in value. Now, one thing that is cool is the Facebook is going to be coming out with the Libra coin. I'm not sure if they did or if it's still in the works, but that's supposed to have a little more predictable value so you can actually purchase something. It's going to help with data and a variety of other things, especially for advertisers. I heard it's going to be A1, even though Facebook already knows everything you do. So really another reason, I'm just kind of talking now, just kind of to you guys, is I feel like Bitcoin is based off market speculation, the price right now. So what that means is, so I do feel like Bitcoin is valued a little high. The reason why I say that is I feel like it's valued at what it could be in the future, maybe 20 years in the future. It's not valued at what it is right now because right now it's only an online currency that isn't backed by anything and you can't really go to the store and purchase anything. So I feel like there's some difficulty with that. Another reason why that I wouldn't purchase it is because if let's say I was going to invest a lot of money, you don't get really a whole lot. You don't get backed by anything. You don't get dividends. It does not follow the general market. So let's say the general market's killing it, Bitcoin could be slamming down. It's not connected in really any way. So, and as an investor and a stock guy, stocks will always kind of be like my passion and the things that I love to learn about and make money from. But if you're a Bitcoin person, please let me know like some details, what you guys see. I'd love to, make another video explaining kind of like what you guys think. I think that would be really awesome. But honestly, back in 2017, I did make like $1,000 off Bitcoin just because I broke my rule. I was not sure what I was investing in, and obviously that paid off for me in the short term. But as I continued to invest in other things that I was not fully understand it or I was not an expert in, I would lose money. And I soon realized you only can invest in what you understand and you understand the future of. So I feel like that's a very important lesson, and I feel like it's a very important concept and topic for you guys, so you guys can take that and you can study hard and make some cash, make some guacamole, man. But obviously there's a ton of cryptocurrencies out there. Some of them are honestly really cool. Some of them help the environment. Some of them help, pretty much everything. I think it's cool. I think cryptocurrency could be the future. But those are like the the four things that they're gonna have to figure out before I am an investor in it. So we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Take care and have a good one. Oh, we just got a new camera. It's coming in Tuesday. It is the Canon 80D. So excited. So excited. The content is just gonna get leveled up. We're gonna be creating 3 courses as well. A stock trading course or an overall trading, like swing trading, day trading, an investing course so you guys can learn how to invest in the overall market. You guys can invest in different sectors, stuff like that. And then the third thing is how to manage your money, because I feel like that's a very awesome topic and you don't get taught it in school, and for like $5 you can learn how to do it. Very awesome, very cool. All that's going to be coming up probably in a couple of months, so it's not anytime soon, but I just wanted to talk to you guys about it. So we'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to always stay happy, stay positive, have a good one. Honestly, have a great weekend. You guys got one more day. Stay happy. Have a good one, guys. Peace.